Morning, happy weekend. I need to put hot oil in my hair before I gonna drink coffee. My hair is so dry. The sun is sana. Yun na si the sun. There. That's the sun. Early morning sun. See. Happy weekend. I'm going to the hospital today. I need to have prescription for my maintenance medicine. My medicine is only how many pieces? My hair is so dry. I have clogged nose, running nose. I have running nose. My nose is black. It's hard to breathe. Happy weekend, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Enough. I need to drink coffee.